èèyàn ni ó lè ní ìrírí òjò àrọ̀kúrò yìí.
The latter rain.
Òjò ìkẹyìn.
To carry the name of God across the globe.
Láti gbé orúkọ Ọlọ́run kárí gbogbo ayé.
Is it for somebody that eats 12 times in a day?
Ṣé fún àwọn èèyàn tó fi oúnjẹ bá ara wọn jẹ́ ni?
Is it for people that lack the art of honor?
Ǹjẹ́ fún àwọn èèyàn tí ò ní ìwà
Number
àǹtẹ̀lẹ̀
one
jẹ́jẹ́?
condition
Ohun àkọ́kọ́ tí a gbọ́dọ̀
to be
ṣe.
part of the army
Kí a lè jẹ́ ìkan lára àwọn ẹgbẹ́gun.
for the latter rain.
Fún òjò ìkẹyìn.
The ability to stay.
Agbára láti dúró.
The ability to stay.
Agbára láti wá ojú Ọlọ́run.
Acts chapter 1 verse 8.
Ìwé ìṣàkóso
Tarry in Jerusalem
ó ní ẹ dúró ní
until
Jerusalem.
I endue you with
Wọ́n ti fi
power.
agbára wọ̀nyí.
There are many people they are thinking of Rema, of height in the glory,
Ọ̀pọ̀ ló
but they
fẹ́
cannot
gòkè.
stay.
Wọ́n fẹ́ gba agbára mi mọ́ ṣùgbọ́n wọn ò lè dúró.
Many people want to do exploit for God,
Ọ̀pọ̀ fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ akọni fún Ọlọ́run ṣùgbọ́n
but
wọn
they cannot stay.
ò lè dúró.
I am sent to the youth.
Mò ń sọ fún àwọn ọ̀dọ́.
I am sent to the youth.
Mò ń sọ fún gbogbo ọ̀dọ́.
It is time to stay.
Àkókò àti dúró de
It
Ọlọ́run
is
ni.
time to wait
Àkókò àti dúró de Ọlọ́run
until
ni.
the power has come upon
Yóò
you.
fi gba agbára
You
náà.
can lock yourself for 7 days.
Ẹ lè dúró ní ọjọ́
A
méje.
time is coming, you may not be able to do it again.
Àkókò kan ń bọ̀ ẹ̀ nílé ṣe mọ́.
Ability to stay.
Agbára láti dúró de Ọlọ́run.
Ability to tarry.
Agbára láti dúró jáde Ọlọ́run.
Among the many few that will be selected for this end time outpouring are those who can stay.
Lára àwọn èèyàn díẹ̀ tí a ó yàn fún iṣẹ́ akọni ìgbà ìkẹyìn yìí ni àwọn tí ó lè dúró.
Number 2,
Ìkejì,
cordial relationship with God.
ìbáṣepọ̀ tó dánmọ́rán pẹ̀lú Ọlọ́run.
Psalm 89 verse 20 to 21.
Sáàmù orí kọkàndínláàádọ́rùn.
Among those that God is looking for to pour his presence upon.
Ìkan lára àwọn tí Ọlọ́run ń retí láti yọ̀ǹda agbára rẹ̀ fún.
Look at me.
Ẹ wò mí.
They are those who don't serve God because of their selfish interest.
Àwọn tí ò sí Ọlọ́run nítorí ohun tí a fẹ́ dà.
They are those who don't come to church because of their selfish
Àwọn
interest.
tí ò sí Ọlọ́run nítorí nǹkan tó máa bá
It is
dọ́wọ́
for
wọn.
those who don't come to church because they want to collect that contract.
Kì í ṣe àwọn tí ó fẹ́ sí Ọlọ́run nítorí wọ́n fẹ́ gba iṣẹ́ kan.
But for those who seek God because of the relationship with them.
Àwọn tó ń wá ojú Ọlọ́run nítorí ìbáṣepọ̀ tó wà láàrin àwọn àti Ọlọ́run.
Despite what Job passed through.
Láìná ni ohun tí Jóòbù là kọjá.
Despite what Job passed through.
Láìná ni ohun tí Jóòbù là
The
kọjá.
wife of Job never knew there was a relationship between him and God.
Ìyàwó rẹ̀ ò tiẹ̀ mọ̀ pé
He said,
ìbáṣepọ̀ wà láàrin
despite
àwọn àti
what you are
Ọlọ́run.
passing through, can't you just curse God and die?
Ìyàwó rẹ̀ wípé bú Ọlọ́run
Job
tó kú.
said,
Jóòbù wípé
before I marry you,
kí n tó fẹ́ ọ.
I have known this
Mo
God.
ti mọ Ọlọ́run
He has
yìí.
never disappointed me
Kò tí já mi kulẹ̀
because of the
yìí.
relationship between me and him.
Ìbáṣepọ̀ ló wà
I
láàrin
can't
wa.
backslide now
Mi ò
because
lè
of this
pa
issue.
àṣẹyìn bá nítorí eléyìí.
And he stood.
Ó sì dúró.
Show me men who have a close relationship with God.
Ẹ fi ènìyàn kan tó ní ìbáṣepọ̀ tó dán mọ́rán
I
pẹ̀lú
will
Ọlọ́run
show
mi.
you candidates who are ready to be used
Màá sì sọ fún ọ pé a lè pè wọ́n ní àwọn èèyàn tí Ọlọ́run ṣe tán láti lò.
for the latter rain.
Fún kí
Number
òjò rọ̀.
3,
Ìkẹta,
what are another condition?
ohun mìíràn tí a gbọ́dọ̀
Those
ṣe.
who are hungry.
Àwọn èèyàn tó ní ìpòǹgbẹ.
Those who are hungry.
Àwọn tó ní ìpòǹgbẹ.
Matthew chapter 5 verse 6.
Matthew orí kẹrin.
Listen to me.
Ẹ tẹ́tí
Your
gbọ́.
hunger has a voice.
Ọ̀rọ̀ ló ní Ọlọ́run kan.
No, sir. Your hunger.
Ìpòǹgbẹ rẹ̀.
Ìpòǹgbẹ rẹ. Ó
Ìpòǹgbẹ.
ní gbólóhùn, ó ní nǹkan kan tó ń sọ fún Ọlọ́run.
It's communicating God in a way.
Despite where you are now,
Kò ní ṣe ibi tí
and
ó
you
wà
are
láyé.
hungry for more.
Bí ẹ ṣí pòǹgbẹ
God
sí.
may not see your mouth,
Ọlọ́run lè má rí ẹnu
but He
rẹ̀.
see your heart.
Ó rí
I
ọkàn rẹ̀.
can give this person more.
Mo lè fún ẹni
He's
sí.
desperate to carry me.
Ó fẹ́ gbé mi
He's
rù.
desperate for my presence.
Ó wá
He's
agbára mi.
desperate for my glory.
Ó wá ògo
He
mi.
wants to shake the earth for me.
Ó fẹ́ yí ayé
He
padà
wants to
sórí mi.
carry me to the
Ó fẹ́ gbé mi
wall.
wọnú ayé.
Hunger. Hunger to pray.
Ìpòǹgbẹ àdúrà.
Hunger to fast.
Bẹ́ àwẹ̀.
When you see men who are hungry to the things of God,
Tẹ bá rí àwọn èèyàn tó pòǹgbẹ fún ti Ọlọ́run.
they may not look like it,
Wọ́n lè má tí ì jọ ohun tí ẹ
but they
fẹ́.
are the army who are trained for the latter rain.
Ẹgbẹ́gun tí a ti pèsè fún ìpínká òjò rọ̀.
They are the army
Àjí àwọn ẹgbẹ́gun
who are on their training ground.
tí ó wà ní pápá
The last,
ìmúgbáradì.
okay, the last and not the least, availability. Our availability.
Ohun tó kẹ́yìn ìṣetán wa.
Our availability.
Yíyọ̀ǹda àkókò wa.
Revelation chapter 3 verse 20.
Ìfihàn orí kẹta ẹsẹ̀ ogún.
Your readiness and availability
Ìmúrasílẹ̀
is
wa.
a proof
Yíyọ̀ǹda àkókò wa ó
that you
jẹ́
are ready to be used.
ẹ̀rí pé ẹ ṣetán fún lílò.
Are you ready for God?
Jẹ́ ẹ ṣetán fún Ọlọ́run.
Are you ready for the things of God?
Ẹ ṣetán fún nǹkan ti Ọlọ́run.
And the next, your availability will birth prayer.
Lẹ́yìn yíyọ̀ǹda àkókò wa agbọ́n
You will have time to pray. You will have time to fast. You will have time for the word of God.
fún ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run.
What later